Magandang hapon po ng November 18, 2025 Tuesday, at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng November 18, 2025 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong Tuesday, November 18, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for November 18, 2025 Tuesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 125 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 15.8 million pesos. And Lotto 642 estimated jackpot price is 5.9 million pesos for Tuesday, November 18, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for November 18, 2025 Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.